Yo, what's up guys? Before we start this video any further, I want to let you guys know that my mentorship for starting an Amazon business, if you want or if you're interested in learning from me and how I did exactly, it is 50% off if you get accepted. You have to apply first, and then if we accept you, then you will get 50% off, but you have to apply today. I know it's a little bit last minute. It's only valid for Tuesday, December 1st until 11:59 p.m. So this is the only time I'm doing promotions ever. I don't ever do promotions or anything for my mentorship, so I want to do this special for you guys. This is the only time you're going to have it, so apply now and then you will get a chance to get 50% off my mentorship and learn how I did what I did like this last Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend and built my Amazon business passively. All right, let's get on with the video.
Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to today's video. Wow, I feel like I've been gone for a pretty damn long time, but I did take a week off because of a very important reason. I got a new puppy, yay, yay. This is Oogie by Chow Chow. He's about 10 weeks old right now, and I picked him up from Vegas, so I've been taking care of him for the past about week to almost 2 weeks now, and so it's been quite the journey and it's been quite the dog dag life, so I've been focusing on that a lot, and it's my first puppy, so I want to make sure I do it right? Such a good boy. He's been pissing and shitting all over my apartment though. Okay, let's go, come on. So that's why I've been gone for so long, but now I'm back and I wanted to give you guys an update because this past weekend has been Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So today is Monday, today is Cyber Monday, and it is about 11 a.m. right now. So I want to give you guys an update on my sales. So when it comes to high frequency days like this, there's a lag between Seller Central and your accounting apps or the orders you get. So you might have like 20 backed up orders, but your account says you only have like 50 when you really actually have like 70 orders, right? So I'm gonna give you guys a update on my shopkeeper act to tell you how much I've made so far. Alrighty, so I've sold 114 units so far, and I've made about $1,500 in profit so far as well, okay? And if you could see right there, you could see how much revenue I've done so far. It's $3,000, $3,300 in revenue so far, but watch what my seller app says. Boom, so my seller app says I only done this much, but I have way more orders than this right now. So the most accurate thing to do is actually show you guys at the end of this video, near the end of this day, actually tomorrow when it's Tuesday, see what the final results are, and I'll be able to do that. So instead, so far I'm gonna take you guys to my Monday vlog. So let's do this. Since this Monday is a very special Monday, being that it's Cyber Monday, I did my optimizing on Sunday instead of today. Normally Mondays is when I do my optimizing for my ads and things like that, but I'm not gonna do that. So instead, I'm gonna actually go and get a workout in before I have some coaching calls later on, and then check up on the rest of my business. So I'm gonna do that, knock it out, get it out the way, and then work, and then chill out for the rest of the day. So that is the game plan. Currently at my mom's house right now, I'm about to work out, letting Oogie do his thing. Letting him be a dog. Oh my God, what the? I can't even catch up to him. Do your dog stuff. Do dog stuff. There you go. So while he is doing that and getting distracted, I'm gonna go get my workout in. We'll see what sales I have throughout the day. He's doing his thing. My brother's gonna keep him distracted. Alright guys, so I accidentally left my camera at my mom's house, so I'm gonna get it probably tomorrow or something like that. But I just got back home from my workout. I just fed little Oogie. Hi Oogie. Such a good boy. Okay, alright. So I just fed him right now. Oh, by the way, I got a new tattoo. If you guys see that, it's really peeling up right now. Oh, sorry. There you go. That's a good look at it. If anyone's wondering, it is Poseidon and the sea ship thing. Love Greek mythology. Fun fact about that. So I have a coaching call at 3 o'clock. I need to eat lunch right now, and I will give you guys an update on my sales on my computer a little bit later today.
All right, so right now it is 2:49 p.m. I'm going to refresh. This is my Shopkeeper accounting app. We've done over $5,000 in revenue and over $2,000 in profit so far. Really hoping to hit over 10K today. That'd be great. So these two are my main products. This one's a new product and this one's kind of a product that I'm kind of like trying to fade out. But I have two other products that are actually out of stock right now that were new releases. So I have to wait till January for those to come back in. So right now I'm just hanging on to basically two main products, which are my main ones, and then this one's actually out of stock already. So this one's done for the day. But this is where I'm at so far: $5,000 in revenue and then $2,000 profit with a 44% profit margin so far.
He's snoring so loud.
All right, guys, so here is how I'm finishing off the night. It is about 11:19 p.m. I'm gonna refresh this. We've sold 330 units, made $9,500, $9,500, almost $10,000, and then almost $4,000 in profit for today so far. So I was really hoping for 10,000. I was super close. I really wish I hit 10,000, but it is what it is. Close enough. Still appreciate and really grateful for what I got so far. So I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow and kind of give you a rundown of the total Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, the profit, and just how I did it as well.
All right, guys, so it is the next day and it is December 1st right now. So you can see here on my thing. Hold on, let me just clear up my phone. So it is December 1st. It is the day after Cyber Monday. So we're gonna total up how I did on Black Friday, the Black Friday weekend, and Cyber Monday. So we're gonna do it in total. So you can see in my screen now from the date range of November 27th, 2020 to November 30th, 2020. That is Black Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, and then Cyber Monday. So in those 4 days combined, we did almost $25,000 over just that weekend, all right? You can see here all these sales throughout those days and times. And you definitely see we beat last year. So this other line right here, this line down here, is the same range from last year and how well I did. And that is how well I did compared to last year. So I definitely killed it, smashed it. We hit a good amount of goals and we broke new records for most amount of units sold in a day, and then also the most profit and revenue in one day as well, okay? So of this almost $25,000, how much of that was actually profit? We go down to my shopkeeper here. This is the 27th, the 28th, 29th, and 30th. So in total, we did about $9,687.10 in net profit after everything, after PPC spend, promotions, everything, right? So I think that comes out to like a 38% or 40% profit margin or something like that. Overall, pretty damn happy with that as well. Spent a lot more in advertising this year to push harder and harder. and I'm going to be keeping that strategy all the way through the rest of Q4. Okay, so $9,000, almost $10,000 over a 4-day weekend. Pretty damn happy about that. So how did I go about this? How did I do this? So what I did was I made sure that everything was optimized as far as my listing and also my advertising. So I bumped up all of my PPC bids and also my PPC daily budgets on the days of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and I toned it down during the weekend for that Saturday and Sunday. So I dialed everything back and then just pushed really hard on those major days, and that's what led to these results. And the days before Black Friday, I also decreased my bids, decreased my my daily bids, daily budget, so I could save some of that money because people are just clicking before Black Friday. And then I pushed hard on the day of Black Friday and the day of Cyber Monday, because a lot of people window shop days before those days, so they'll click a lot and they'll spend your ad spend for no reason, basically. So that's why I dial it back a little bit before, and then I push really hard on the day of. All right, so I'll spend more than what I want, or I guess what my usual would be. So spent a lot on PPC, but also made a lot of profit. So overall, pretty damn happy with that. We can see how much we finished with the month of November. So I'm gonna dial this back to November 1st and then hit apply. We did $78,000 for the month of November in revenue. Okay, $78,000. That's amazing. Definitely beat last year a whole lot of growth. You can see this is last year and this is this year. Crazy growth. So almost double what I did last year. Last year I did about $40,000, about $41,000 or $42,000, something like that. So a lot of growth. I'm really happy with it. And now we're gonna get to December, and I'm hoping for December we can hit like 150K, maybe 200K possibly. Those are kind of the goals that I'm hitting or trying to get for this year. So let's do the damn thing. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want my mentorship, this video is going up on Tuesday. I do have a Cyber Monday promotion for my mentorship. It does end today. It is last minute on this video. First come, first serve. I never do promotions, so I'm not really trying to push crazy. So if you do want 50% off my mentorship, apply today. You have to apply today, Tuesday, December 1st by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you don't, then you're gonna miss out on the promotion deal, okay? Because it ends tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go get that money. Peace.